Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're obsessed with keeping your valuables and personal items spotless, you're in for a treat today. We're diving into our top 5 ultrasonic cleaners for 2024. The ultimate tools for deep cleaning and shining up your essentials. From jewelry and watches to toothbrushes and more, these gadgets use advanced technology to get your items looking like new. So, buckle up and let's get started with our countdown. Number 5. 35-watt ultrasonic glasses jewelry cleaner. This little powerhouse boasts some impressive features. First up, let's talk about its advanced ultrasonic technology. Operating at a frequency of 46,000 Hz and 35 watts of power, it harnesses the magic of cavitation, the process where microscopic bubbles form and burst to remove dirt and grime without damaging your items. Whether it's gold, platinum, diamonds, or even your everyday glasses and sunglasses, this cleaner does it all. It's also versatile enough for cleaning watches, makeup brushes, contact lenses, and even pacifiers. With its 500 milliliter capacity, you can clean multiple items at once. And speaking of durability, the cleaner features a robust 304 stainless steel inner tank and a sleek ABS outer shell, a perfect blend of strength and style. The cleaner comes with a touch screen and a digital display, making operation a breeze. You've got 4 cleaning time settings to choose from, ensuring you can tailor the cleaning cycle to your specific needs. 360-degree deep cleaning capability. The powerful ultrasonic cavitation process uses high-frequency vibrations to penetrate every nook and cranny, ensuring a thorough clean every time. Plus, it's designed not to damage your items. Even the most delicate accessories are safe. The Ultrasonic Cleaner's removable plug and easy-to-carry design make it safe and convenient to use. Plus, the stainless steel tank is easy to maintain and clean itself. The 35-watt ultrasonic glasses and jewelry cleaner combines cutting-edge technology with practical features to make your cleaning routine easier and more effective. 4. Ultrasonic Cleaner 30 and 50 watt. The Ultrasonic Cleaner 30 and 50 watt, comes packed with features that cater to a wide range of cleaning needs. With 2 power settings, 30 watts and 50 watts, and a cleaning time of around 5 minutes, it's designed to tackle both light and heavy-duty cleaning tasks with ease. This ultrasonic cleaner operates at a frequency of 40 kHz, which provides efficient and gentle cleaning. It's perfect for removing dirt and grime from items that are otherwise difficult to clean by hand, especially those tricky, hard-to-reach spots. It's ideal for cleaning a variety of items, including watches, contact lenses, glasses, dentures, teeth, electric shavers, and even jewelry. You can also use it for sterilizing fruits and vegetables, mixing drinks, or even combining chemical reagents. The straightforward button operation makes it easy to use, and the cleaning process is quick. Just set the timer and let the ultrasonic waves do the work. You'll be amazed at how well it handles even the toughest cleaning jobs without damaging any surfaces. The Ultrasonic Cleaner 30 and 50 watt is a fantastic choice if you're looking for a reliable and versatile cleaner. Whether you need it for personal items or for more specialized tasks, this cleaner is up to the job. Number 3 is the Ultrasonic High-Frequency Vibration Cleaner. The Ultrasonic High-Frequency Vibration Cleaner is a game-changer with its advanced features. This model is designed for simplicity and effectiveness, with a single-button operation that makes it incredibly easy to use. Just press it to start or stop the cleaning process. No complicated settings required. One of the standout features of this cleaner is its 360-degree deep cleaning capability. The machine uses ultrasonic waves to penetrate every corner of your items, ensuring that dirt and grime are removed from even the smallest crevices. Whether it's your favorite piece of jewelry or your everyday eyeglasses, this cleaner will make them sparkle like new. Operating at a powerful 45 kHz frequency, this cleaner offers impressive efficiency with a 98.99% cleaning success rate. You can expect your items to be thoroughly cleaned in just around 3 seconds. It's perfect for everything from braces and combs to razors, pacifiers, makeup tools, and even metal cutlery. The powerful ultrasonic waves effectively remove dirt, dust, and grime from all sorts of items, making it a handy tool for daily use. Another great feature is the cleaner's robust build and efficient operation. The ultrasonic waves penetrate deeply, ensuring that every part of your items is cleaned thoroughly. This cleaner is designed to give your belongings a new lease on life, no matter how delicate or dirty they are. 2. Raugee Ultrasound Jewelry Cleaner. The Raugee Ultrasound Jewelry Cleaner is a sleek and powerful device designed to make your cleaning routine effortless. With advanced ultrasonic technology operating at a frequency of 47,000 Hz and 18 watts, it's built to harness the power of cavitation. This means it can effectively remove surface dirt and grime from your items without causing any damage. One of the standout features of this cleaner is its comprehensive application. It's versatile enough to handle everything from gold, platinum, and diamonds to rings, watches, glasses, and even makeup brushes. Whether you're cleaning your favorite jewelry or sterilizing your toothbrush, this ultrasonic cleaner is up to the task. For deep cleaning, this model uses 47 kHz high ultrasonic frequency, providing 360-degree all-round cleaning. It's incredibly efficient, making your glasses, jewelry, and other items look as good as new in seconds. The Raugee cleaner features 4 different timer settings, allowing you to customize the cleaning duration to meet your specific needs. Whether you need a quick clean or a more thorough wash, you can easily adjust the settings to get the perfect result every time. The 360-degree cleaning technology ensures that every inch of your items is thoroughly cleaned, and the smart touch controls make operating the machine a breeze. The Raugee Ultrasound Jewelry Cleaner is an excellent choice if you're looking for a powerful, versatile, and user-friendly ultrasonic cleaner. 1. Household Ultrasonic UV Cleaner. The Household Ultrasonic UV Cleaner is a cutting-edge device that combines ultrasonic cleaning with UV technology to deliver outstanding results. With a professional 42 kHz ultrasonic frequency, it provides deep cleaning for your items, making them shine like new without causing any damage. This cleaner offers 360-degree all-round cleaning, which means it reaches every corner of your items. Whether you're cleaning jewelry, dentures, rings, watches, or even makeup brushes, the ultrasonic waves effectively remove dirt, dullness, and grime, ensuring a thorough clean. One of the standout features is its 99.99% cleaning effectiveness. Equipped with 4 LED lights, this cleaner comes with 2 modes, a regular 5-minute mode and a pulse-deep cleaning mode that lasts 10 minutes. Built with high-end waterproof surface finishing and a 304 stainless steel tank, the Household Ultrasonic UV Cleaner is both durable and stylish. It's designed for excellent corrosion resistance and ease of use. The one-touch control button makes it super simple to start or pause the cleaning process, and the mini size makes it convenient to carry and store. This ultrasonic cleaner also features an auto-timed shutdown with 2 options, 5 minutes or 10 minutes, depending on your cleaning needs. If you're searching for an ultrasonic cleaner that combines advanced technology with ease of use, the Household Ultrasonic UV Cleaner is definitely worth considering. And that's a wrap on our list of the top 5 ultrasonic cleaners for 2024. We hope you found this guide helpful in finding the perfect cleaner for your needs. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech reviews and tips. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next video.